Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve this equation, that is x times x minus x equal x, and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with today's video solution. So first I want to give you guys a chance. If you can solve it, I'll give you 5 seconds to solve and tell me your answer in the comment box. First correct answer, I will pin the comment. So now let's start. So our first step is we can write this x times x as x cube minus x equal x. Now take all the terms together. So x cube minus x equals 0. So this becomes x cube minus 2x equals 0. Now we can factor out. We can take the x as common. So x square minus 2 equals 0. Now put both the vectors equals to 0. So x equals 0 and x minus 2 equals 0. So from the first case, x equals 0. Then x square minus 2 equals 0. So x square equal 2. I define 2 square root both sides. So it's become plus minus square root 2. With the help of this square root removed. So x equal plus minus root 2. So we have three values of x, that is 0, plus 2 and minus 2. Now let's do the very important step that many students skip. What? Verification. It is very important to make sure that your answer is 100% correct. So let's verify this. So x cube minus x equal x. Where x is 0, so it's 0 cube minus 0 equals 0. So yes, 0 equals 0. So LHS is equals to RHS. Now comes to root 2 cube minus root 2 equal root 2 or not. So root 2 cube is 2 root 2 minus root 2. So this is 1 root 2. 2 root 2 minus 1 root 2 is root 2. So yes, it is equal. This is also correct. Minus root 2 cube minus root 2 equal minus root 2 or not. So this give us minus 2 root 2 plus root 2. So this give us minus root 2. So yes, it is also verified. So all three solutions are verified. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe, because tomorrow I will come with another challenge like this that many people fail to solve. So don't skip that video also. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video.